Now, we've been exploring ways of saying here, around here, over here a lot. I'm going to be introducing you one more form of saying it. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have burada. Burada. Burada can mean here, in this place, at this place. Let's see. I'm going to be introducing you with some phrases and then sentences. To stay here or right here, it's not here. Let's see. Burada qalmaq, qalmaq to stay. Burada, here. Elə burada, right here. O burada deyil. Deyil is not, meaning it's not here. Remember, o can mean he, she, or it. We are using it's here. Now, let's see some sentences to understand how to use burada better. Biz burada gözləyirik. We are waiting here, meaning wherever you are, right at that location. We are waiting here. Gözləyirik, waiting. Gözləmək. If you want to break it even to smaller root, göz is I, gözlə to wait. Gözləyir is waiting. Gözləyirik, we are waiting. Cool, right? Let's see another sentence. Burada siqaret çəkmək qadağandır. You might see and hear this sentence a lot in Azerbaijan, written or spoken. Let's see why. It's forbidden to smoke here. Sigaret is a cigarette, loan word. Sigaret çəkmək, to smoke. Qadağandır, forbidden. Burada, here. It's forbidden to smoke here. Burada sigaret çəkmək qadağandır. That was the regular uses of burada. I have one more for you. My keys need to stay burada so I won't forget them tomorrow. All right, that was today's word. Thanks so much for listening. But if you are interested and invested in learning more in terms of Azerbaijan tips and tricks of it, MasterAzerbaijan.com is your place to go. For more systematic curriculum-based ways, Master Azerbaijani app is another way to learn it. If you prefer sticking with me over here on the videos, well, I'll see you tomorrow then. Cheers.